In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Gmail template. Whether you're new to Gmail or a seasoned user, knowing how to customize your email templates can save you time and enhance your productivity. So, let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the Gmail website. Once you've logged into your account, look for the gear icon, which is your settings button, located in the upper right corner. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings menu where all your Gmail configurations are found. Next, navigate to the tab labeled Advanced. This tab might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, it's all quite manageable. Within this section, you'll see several options that can enhance your Gmail experience. Look for templates, which may be towards the top of the list. Ensure it is enabled by clicking on the button to activate it if it's not already on. With templates now enabled, let's go ahead and draft a new email. Click on the Compose button to open a new message window. In the email body, type out the content you want to save as a template. This could be a greeting, a regular update, or any repetitive content you frequently send out. Once your message is ready, locate the three dots at the bottom right corner of the Compose window. Click on these dots to reveal a few more options. From here, hover over the Templates option. A submenu will appear, offering choices like Save Draft as Template, or, if you have previous templates, you'll see those listed as well. Select Save Draft as Template to proceed. You'll then have the option to either overwrite previous templates or save as a new one. Choose Save as New Template and give your template a unique and descriptive name, something that will help you quickly identify it later. Now that your template is saved, let's try using it. Click on Compose again to draft a new message. Once again, tap on the three dots in the Compose window and hover over Templates. Now you should see your recently saved template listed there. Simply click on it and watch as your email body populates with the pre-written content. You can edit this as needed before sending it out. Finally, if you ever need to delete or update your templates, simply repeat the process to save changes or erase outdated ones. Keep in mind that this feature is incredibly useful for streamlining communication, especially if you're frequently sending similar emails. And there you have it. A straightforward way to enhance your email processes with Gmail templates. By following these steps, you're saving time and ensuring consistency in your communication. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.